guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So how are you all doing? So in today's video I am going to share with you my Dermaco ka haul. So I have got a lot of products from Dermaco recently. I just wanted to show you the my products like haul in ways, but मैंने बहुत सारे products use भी किए, so I'm going to also share my mini reviews, but proper fledged reviews on Dermaco के products are coming soon because I've used a lot of their products and I have a lot to talk about it. But anyways, I have altogether 4 products. तो basically ना recently एक उनको offer था that if you purchase something more than 499, yes, 499 के ऊपर अगर आप कुछ purchase करो, so you are going to get 3 products free, उनके best sellers. So and for that reason I wanted to purchase, because if you are getting a lot of products free then you get to know about the product as well. तो मैं ऐसे ही जाती हूँ, तो 499 में मुझे को total 4 products पड़ गए. I'm going to show you what all I got. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. That will mean everything to me. We are very close to 1k. Let's reach that together. And my social medias will also be in the description. I post a lot of my makeup stuff on my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair, and my own account, that is Priyank Almeida. So definitely check those out. And I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Even if there is no sit down videos, there will be also some shorts. So definitely check my videos out. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with the haul. So first of all, let's talk about the main product जो मैंने 499 का खरीदा है, is their 30% AHA BHA peeling solution. ये प्रोडक्ट मुझे कब से खरीदा था. सो मेनी यूट्यूबर्स हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टफ कि यार दिस इज पील एंड ऑल इज समथिंग मुझे खुद से बहुत आइडिया है, बट ऑन अ डेली बेसिस आई यूज सैलिसिलिक एसिड का फेस वॉश बाय मिनिमलिस्ट, आई यूज पीएचए का टोनर. आई एम लाइक माय स्किन केयर रूटीन इज प्रिटी फ्लेजिड अमेजिंग. सो आई डोंट फील कि प्रॉपर एक्सफोलिएटिंग दैट मच आई नीड, बट व्हाट हैपेंड इज बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हैव सम ब्राइडल क्लाइंट्स एंड ऑल्सो प्री ब्राइडल में भी मैं करती हूँ. सो आई नीड प्रोडक्ट्स दैट विल रियली बी वेरी गुड फॉर माई ब्राइड ऑल्सो, माई ब्राइडल क्लाइंट्स ऑल्सो. सो आई नीड सच प्रोडक्ट्स in my vanity as well, and I tried myself as well. I can say that एक use में my skin was so brightened up. Definitely I have to keep on using it for like months, like 3 months तो minimum use करना ही है. But एक use में I definitely saw a huge difference, like difference in sense like मेरी skin इतनी even हो गई, and it was actually brightened up. And as it is like 30% AHA and 2% BHA, which is your acid that is going to peel your skin. So it has glycolic acid, 10% lactic, 10% mandelic and 2% salicylic. So this is very good even if you have acne prone skin, sensitive skin, definitely stay away from this. This is not for you. But normal oily skin, combination skin, this kind of product is very good. आपको महीने में like I think 15 days is again I feel minimum कम है, ज़्यादा है. 1 month, once a month using this product is absolutely amazing. That way ऐसा product इसके माना जाता है. So ये मैंने 499 का खरीदा. And with that 3 products that I got free is their Ceramide HA Intense Face Moisturizer. Again I wanted to purchase this product, but again 239 to 49 का कुछ product है ये, but as I got this free, so why should I leave it. So this is a Ceramide moisturizer which has ceramides and hyaluronic acid. So ceramide are very like these are the food for your skin. Moisturizers having such ingredients is amazing, plus it has hyaluronic acid, amazing, great. The thing is that I don't feel कि इनकी ingredient list में ज़्यादा अच्छे से mention किया है, but other than that product मैंने use किया है. The texture of the product is kind of a primer, so using this before makeup is really good. You can also use this on a daily basis. Obviously this is day and night moisturizer, but I feel even using this as a primer definitely works. इसका थोड़ा I don't know if they have used silicone in this or no, but it feels like a silicone texture. It does not feel your pores, but एकदम आपकी skin में से blur, like it feels like that. Okay, but this is like 25 grams of product, and this product retails for 249 or something, right? Yes. So this is something that I got free. The second product that I got free is their 1% salicylic acid face wash. So this is for your acne. If you have acne marks, if you have acne, active acne and stuff, using salicylic acid face wash is very good, because salicylic acid is a BHA. It is going to exfoliate your skin. It is a very good ingredient if you have acne prone skin, to get rid of your acne. I use this every night. Now recently I'm just using minimalistic का salicylic acid face wash. मैंने इसका recently review भी बनाया था उसका, but मुझे ये भी try करना था. It has salicylic acid, witch hazel, willow bark. It has very good ingredients. I've used this as well. This product actually literally burns my eyes a little bit, but other than that the face wash is good. If you want any specific reviews on any product, let me know and I will definitely make it for you guys. But other than that, the face wash is I feel it's very good. Okay, difference कुछ देखा नहीं है because I don't have acne and stuff, but I don't get acne because I use proper skincare routines, तो acne नहीं आते. Sometimes due to periods and stuff, I just have this only one, which is pretty normal. And the third product that I got free is the Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. So this is the SPF 60 PA triple plus, triple A की triple है. So this is a matte sunscreen and the texture is amazing. This is like literally a primer. This will blur your skin. You don't need any make primer to after this using this. I also have the Dermaco का SPF 30 वाला pure zinc matte gel वाला sunscreen. I didn't like this much, but I love this. This is SPF 30 वाला. So this also I got, I think last time मुझे free मिला था. मैंने कुछ I had purchased niacinamide by Dermaco. उस टाइम पे I got this particular and this is completely over. Like थोड़ा ही बचा है. बट कंपेरेटिवली दिस से मुझे ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. इट हैज़ SPF ऑफ 60 आई थिंक. मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया, 60 ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं करता बिकॉज द लास्ट SPF दैट यू यूज ऑन द स्किन इज 50 ओनली. उसके ऊपर बनता ही नहीं है. इट इज जस्ट द कस्टमर टू परचेज के लिए. But other than that, it's ultra light, oil free, and you can obviously it also has SPF triple plus. It does not mention about UVA and UVB, so I'm not pretty sure about वो ज़्यादा है कि नहीं. But other than that, the texture of the sunscreen is amazing. एकदम प्राइमर जैसा है. और इसका टेंट भी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. I don't feel like using it, but it's kind of yellow base. थोड़ा येलो है. It's not coming out, yeah. थोड़ा येलो. It's not completely white, so it's yellow, and it actually is like a silicone primer only. When you use on your skin, it blurs your skin and it also gives a little bit of brightening effect, and it's literally matte. कुछ oil नहीं है. It's literally matte. It just dries matte on the skin. So I feel I'm definitely gonna purchase the bigger this tube of this. Let's see how it works. And yeah, this is all the products that I got. So basically my main item that I got was this particular 30% AHA, 2% BHA का peeling solution, and the 3 products free I got was the sunscreen, the face wash, and the moisturizer. So these 3 products I got free with this particular product, and all the product I've used, I've liked all the products. Totally I'm going to use it for more at least 15 days now, and all sit down videos I'm going to make on Dermaco के products, so that I can recommend you a lot of Dermaco products. Also minimalist के products I've ordered more, and I'm going to use them. I'm going to sit and totally make a video where I can actually review and show you कि बहुत ज़्यादा products overall कैसे काम करते हैं, so that you can also get ideas कि which product is good, which product is not. Okay. Yes, so other than that, this was my video. I hope that you liked my review and my haul. This was like a mini review haul main था. So yes, I cannot talk about proper कि difference कुछ दिखा कि नहीं, because मैंने ज़्यादा time use नहीं किया. I don't want to put fake this reviews over here. But other than that, I hope that you like my video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and you can follow my social media. Everything will be linked. I will also link I will just link the website so that you can just check their offers. Offers 2 दिन में बदलते. Amazing offers. उनका कुछ Friday वाला offer भी रहता है, that Friday में you get something under 499 or something. So keep on checking the actual website, and coupon code भी आप डाल सकते हो कि बहुत ज़्यादा यूट्यूबर्स कूपन कोड से उनके Dermaco के ब्रांड को ये करते, सेल करते हैं. So definitely check out the coupon code so you can benefit more 10%, 15%. Why to leave it, you know? So yeah, I hope that you like my video, and yeah, everything will be linked in the description, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.